Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about LIEC, Harvard references. First, understand the basics of referencing. The list of references gives the full details of every source you have included in an in-text citation. It provides the information that a reader needs to check the source themselves. Your references should be in one long list. You do not need to create separate lists for books, articles, etc. The list of references should be in alphabetical order by author's last name. An in-text citation is a short reference which goes in the body of your assignment. You must give an in-text citation whenever you include information in your work that you have taken from somewhere else. This might be a quote, a paraphrase, a summary, data, an image, etc. Normally, an in-text citation contains an author's last name, the year the source was published, and the page numbers you have taken the information from, in case you have directly quoted from source. There are two ways to write an in-text citation. Parenthetical citations, these are also called information prominent citations. In parenthetical, the citation will be at last before the full stop with the author's last name, year. Narrative citations, these are also called integrated or author prominent citations. In narrative, the citation will come at the beginning of sentences with author's last name and year. The reference format will be the author's last name and initials, the year article was published, title of the article and sentence case, title of the journal and title case, volume number, issue number, followed by a comma. Pages of the article, followed by a full stop. Now moving forward, let's learn about in-text citations. First, we will understand what is the difference between a direct quote and a general summary or paraphrasing. Direct quotes mean we take the sentence directly from the website without paraphrasing it. While using this, one has to write the page number from where the sentences has been taken. General summary or paraphrasing means summarizing the content taken from the source and writing it in your language, rather than directly taking it from the source. There is no need to mention the page number. Now we will see the case of single author. Here in direct quote, the author's last name will be written at the beginning of sentence, and at the end there will be year, page number. In paraphrasing, it will be at the end of sentence with author's last name and year in brackets. In the case of two authors, here in direct quote, the both author's last name with ampersand in between will be written at the end of sentence, followed by year, page number. In paraphrasing, it will be at the end of sentence with both author's last name with ampersand in between and year in brackets. Now, the case where more than two authors are there. In this case, we will always take the first author's last name followed by etal. In direct quote, the author's last name will be written at the beginning of sentence followed by etal, year, page number in brackets. In paraphrasing, it will be at the end of sentence with author's last name followed by etal, year. Note that etal is short for a Latin phrase which means, and others. If you have integrated the first author's name into your sentence, you should still use a plural reporting verb after etal. Moving on to organizations and government body. Sometimes the author is an organization, government agency, association, or corporate body. In this instance, use the organization's name, year, and if using a direct quote, include the page number. Where the organization name is long, or is often referred to by its acronym, and is cited frequently in text, cite the full name and include the acronym using square brackets in the first instance and only use the acronym in subsequent citations. Where there is no author, use the title of the source, in italics, in place of the author. Include the year of publication, and if using a direct quote, include the page number or timestamp. In the case of no publication year, use author's last name in brackets, n.d. and if using a direct quote, include the page number. Here n.d. means no date. Now the case of citing multiple sources at the same point. Here we have to write first author's last name, year, another author's last name, year, another author's last name, year, in brackets. Hope this video helps you all. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe.